Okay, so good evening. We're going to start our review. So upon checking the TOS for LED, may ano pa rin yung educational technology bukod sa technology for teaching and learning. So habang ano pa naman yung ating oras, we still have time. So kailangan pa rin nating
Okay, so good evening. We're
ito yung
going to
ating
start a
preparation
review.
for
So
the
upon checking
LED.
the
Ay, wait lang.
upon
Parang
checking
mag-feedback
the
sa aking
TOS.
YouTube. Okay. So, pakisabi na lang, i-chat nyo yung mga kaibigan nyo that they can still access in our YouTube kung hindi sila makapasok sa Zoom dahil nga po baka mahirap din sa signal and sa data, sa mobile data ng mga ano natin, phone. So let us start yung educational technology. Kasabay pa rin siya sa ano ng technology for teaching and learning for the new curriculum. Pero upon checking, nung nag-final coaching nung Tuesday, sa sa nung nag-final coaching sa MAPE, nakita ko na may ano pa rin yung educational technology. So ihahabol natin today. So ang pinaka-importante is you gonna comment your answer on the chat box. Then i-check natin kung bakit ano ang tamang sagot. Or I am going to underline the keywords para mas lalo tayong makahabol. So which of the following statements has a very limited definition of educational technology? So the question here, kung titingnan natin, is because of the keyword limited definition. So yun ang ating titingnan parate, yung mga keywords, ano daw yung limited definition. Meaning, tatlo dyan, or kung isa lang dyan, limited definition, or pwede naman na the three are the limited, the definition of educational technology. Sige nga, pa-type nga ng inyong sagot sa chat box. Na-chat nyo na po ba yung ating sagot? Pa-chat dito sa chat box ng Zoom. Ano yung sagot natin? Okay, kay ma'am ano is A. Sino pa? Sabi niya, it is a profession composed of various job categories. Sabi ni Harry, A. Sino pa? Okay, the correct answer here is letter. Anong sagot dito? So the correct answer here is letter B because it refers to the computers. So ang educational technology, it's not only computers ang focus. So it can be in modern, it can be in traditional technology. Yung limited definition, for example, bakit hindi letter A? Kasi it is correct. Profession po siya na composed of various job categories. Okay, let's proceed to number 2. Pa-type ng inyong sagot. Which of the following statement is correct about the domains of educational technology? Alin daw dyan ang correct? Take note of the word correct domain. Okay, the correct answer here is letter D. Kasi ang tinatanong dito is correct. Ano po? So dito baliktad po ito. Design is the production stage while development is the planning stage. So dapat ang design, planning, at ang development, yun ang production. Magkabaliktad siya. Sa letter B is both the design development are the planning stage. O, doon pa lang sa letter A, mali na ang letter B. Ang letter naman C, mali din siya because it's not evaluation is not synonymous to implementation. Magkaiba po siya. Okay? So, ang pinakatamang sagot is letter D, utilization is the action phase dahil ang paggamit ng mga materials, ang paggamit ng technology ay yung nasa action phase na po. Okay? Sige. So, sagot naman tayo. Next po. What is your answer in this question? Please read silently, then pa-type ng inyong sagot. Okay, so let us check if your answer is correct. Okay, tingnan natin. So it is letter A. Okay. So tama na po ang pagkakasunod-sunod nito. It started from setting the objectives, then you will analyze the learners, then you will now utilize the materials, then you will evaluate. Kung titingnan natin, ito na yung pasunod-sunod. Okay? So sabi ko baga parate is we will consider always the objectives. Set the objectives, then you will now analyze your learners based on the objectives. Okay po? Next, number 4. Ito naman, ang tanong is about limitation of models and real objects in teaching and learning. Okay, pa-type ng inyong sagot. Okay, so A sa balance, biglang nagbago daw, sabi ni Harry. Okay, so titingnan natin kung anong tama. Tama. They pose problems on storage. Kasi ang question is limitation models, limitation of models. So, ano siya sa kakaproblema siya sa storage. Okay, so itong letter B, tama po ito. Ang models and real objects ay more concrete and it is used in the hands-on learning experience and they are readily available. Okay, next number, please answer. Which group of technologies has the highest degree of concreteness? Take note of the word highest degree. Okay, so let us check. Sabi is letter A. So, if mahina yung net, pwede kayo doon sa YouTube. Minsan, ano din, mababa din yung sa data. Okay, the correct answer here is letter A. So, real object and with the use of computer. Kasi yung computer nandoon na lahat. Multi-aided na po siya. Meron na siyang audio visual. Okay? Next, number 6. So, Mrs. Del Prado placed text together with the relevant graphics on the same page. Okay, take note of the word nilagay niya on the same page in her multimedia presentation. Which principle did she apply? Okay, but okay. So the correct answer here, kung lahat daw pinagsama-sama, teachers, take note. Kung ang pinagsama-sama sa isang page, ang lahat ng multimedia presentation, anong principle ang in-apply niya? So it is spatial contiguity. So from the word spatial, it is space. Okay, we are referring to the space. No po? So, and take note of the word same page. Okay, so yun ang ating keywords. Next, Mrs. Olivarez presented real sample of rocks in her general science class. What principle did she apply? Okay, take note. Teachers, ano natin dito? Presented real sample of rocks. Okay, so anong sagot? Pa-type ng ano? Ang sagot daw ay authenticity. So take note, ano? So the correct answer is letter B. Tama. Kasi from the word real samples, so authentic. Ano po? Concrete. Next. Okay, so which is the best reason why teachers stated objectives before using instructional media? So bakit po ang mga teachers ay ini-state ang objectives before ginagamit ang instructional media? Okay, let us check. To determine which media to use best, yan ang inyong sagot. Okay, take note teachers na tama po para alam natin, tandaan natin that in lesson planning, it is emphasized that na objectives must be, ay, na all parts of the lesson must be congruent to the objectives or aligned. Okay, take note of that. Very important po yan. Next, which of the following should Mr. Rivera primarily consider in determining the teaching learning objectives and use of instructional media? So, sige nga. Okay, so dito, we will consider okay, so the correct answer here is letter C. So we will always consider our learner. Ano po? So our learners po ang very important in the instructional media, the teaching learning objectives also. Okay, so yan ang very important thing to consider. Okay? Okay, next is next number. Which of the following technology or technologies provide iconic experiences to students or children? Okay, iconic. Tandaan natin yan. Inactive is yung sa real objects. Yung sa iconic, it's more on the dramatized and the contrived experiences. So let us check if your answer is correct. So letter B, very good. It's more on pictures and videos. Okay. So yan po ano. So this time, iaano muna natin ang review kasi baka hindi napaghandaan ng iba, like baka walang mga ano, pero i-announce ko to sa GC na kailangan natin ano. So we will cut first kasi gusto ko na marami ang makapagpanood ng YouTube and mag-a-agree tayo doon, okay? Thank you so much for joining. Oo, kaunti lang. So, chinek ko lang kasi kung sino yung makakapag-join sa Zoom. So, kailangan may 2 araw pa naman, habaan natin bukas kasi 100 items pa naman to at marami pa naman akong prepare. Okay?